I think that it's important to start measuring the CO2 because, I think everyone is struggling a little bit about how and where to start or how to start working with sustainability in general.
So we have developed this functionality to support the new directive, the CSRD, and also the new standard way of reporting, the ESRS.
Yeah, and this standardized way of reporting also comes along with a way of categorizing the sustainability data, and this is according to something called GHG, the Greenhouse Gas Protocol. And if you've heard about scope 1, 2, and 3, this is exactly what GHG is. And this is what you can find now in Monitor. So if you want to start working with this new directive, according to the standard and categorized in this scope 1, 2, and 3, then you find it in Monitor.
We are all aware of the global impacts. To be able to go to work every day and help lowering the emissions is very motivating for me.
Want to know more? Reach out to us today.